Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the best product reviews and recommendations. Today, we have something special for all the woodworking enthusiasts out there. We're diving deep into the world of woodcarving with the best woodcarving kit available in the market. Let's get started. Introducing the Woodcarving Kit by Polywell, a 22-piece set that's perfect for beginners, kids, and adults alike. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to unleash your creativity and craftsmanship. Let's take a closer look. First, let's talk about the features that make this kit stand out. This kit includes a wide range of tools, such as a whittling knife, chip detail knife, hook knife, and more. With 22 pieces in total, you'll have all the tools necessary for various woodworking projects. The blades of these carving tools are made of high-quality carbon steel with electrolytic coating, ensuring they are razor-sharp, durable, and corrosion-resistant. Plus, the ergonomic handles make them comfortable to hold, even during long carving sessions. Safety is a top priority. The kit comes with anti-slip cut-resistant gloves, ensuring you have a firm grip while carving. Additionally, there's cut-resistant tape to protect your fingers, and the gloves conform to Level 5 European Standard anti-cutting, providing extra safety. One unique feature is the inclusion of 2 different shapes of wooden spoon blanks, perfect for those looking to start carving right away. These blanks are made of softer wood, making them beginner-friendly. Whether you're shopping for yourself or looking for a great gift idea, this woodcarving kit is perfect. Woodcarving is not only a creative outlet but also a way to relax and unwind. Now, you might be wondering about the price. This kit is currently available at an exclusive prime price of just $28.79, down from the typical price of $34.99. That's an 18% discount for Amazon Prime members. Before we wrap up, here are some quick details. The package dimensions are 10.67 by 6.61 by 2.17 inches, and the ASIN for this product is B09NXZZTFV. In conclusion, the Woodcarving Kit by Polywell is the ultimate choice for anyone looking to explore the world of woodcarving. With high-quality tools, safety features, and a variety of carving options, it's a fantastic value for both beginners and seasoned woodworkers. If you're interested in purchasing this kit, you can find the link in the video description below. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy carving!